Welcome back. So before we actually continue, I just want to spend a couple of minutes talking about Git and the Git setup that I made for this series right here. So first of all, to get started with my code and to use my code inside the guide, go and grab this repository. Now the repository link is already in the description. You can just press that link for this series right here. You'll get into this page and then you can go here and you can say clone and then you can copy the link right here and we're going to use that inside our terminal. So you jump into your terminal and then you write git and you write clone and you paste in that URL that you just copied from right here. And that URL, that actually points up to my GitHub repo. And from there you just write some kind of folder name. It's really up to you what you want to call it. Let me just call it family photo sharing app here for now. And I'll even put some A in front of it. So it's AFPTA. And I'll just press enter. Now it'll clone all the code I have currently into that folder. So if I go into cd AFPTA, you'll see that if I do a ls here, I'll see all the code that I have available. Next step will be to actually run inside that folder. You'll run an npm install like this, and it'll go and grab everything from npm. I'll just let that run. So now that the installation, the npm install has run, you'll actually see all of these installations, and then you can write an ng-serve and it'll actually be up and running with the actual app we just built in the first couple of lessons right here. So I already have running app, that's why it's complaining. Let me just shut that down and try again. So we see an error like this, it means that the port is already in use, so you already have running app. So there we go, now it's actually up and running in localhost 4200, and you won't see anything different. If I run this, I'll see the exact application that we've built so far. Now the cool thing is, however, that you can now go and open AFPTA and it'll look exactly like the one I have right here. That's not the cool thing. The real cool thing is if I jump into that folder now, so let me just jump into family, cd work, there we go, cd family sharing app, there we go. I can actually start jumping to specific versions of the app because I checked it out. So because this is checked out with Git now, my GitHub repository, you can actually write like checkout, and I'll write, I want to check out, oh, you need to put Git in front of it right here. So I'll say I want to check out version series 1 part 7. That's the one I want to check out. And now it jumps to that one, and notice in part 7 I had not set up the style for importing material design. So let me try and click here and you'll see there's nothing here. So now I'm actually at version 7 and I could start working with that one, setting everything up. Now if I want to go back to the current version, I can just go back, in not my case, I'm at 9 right now. So I'll just put that in instead, check out version 9. When I click now, it'll actually pop back. There we go. And if I want to go back to the newest version, the master branch, I can say check out master, like this, check out master, there we go. And now I'm up to date with the newest version. And that'll be the final version when you guys probably watch this series. So maybe you want to go to a specific version. So every time when I start a new series, a new part right here, you guys should be able to just put in the part right here. If we're at version part 11, you should be able to put that in here. So just wanted to let you guys know that. That's pretty awesome. So you guys can jump between the code by using these tags. And if at some point you feel that we want to rebase everything, we want to go back to the master branch as the final version, because if you guys end up by mistake making some changes, let me try and show you. I by mistake put this in here. Everything will blow up and you'll have a hard time skipping versions. Let's try and skip here. It'll give you some aborting because you cannot switch because you made some changes locally, blah, 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 blah. If you get something like that, let me show you what you do. You can go in and you can actually rebase everything and start from scratch. So I'll do a git fetch origin right here. Yes, that was Googled. Yes, that was Stack Overflow. You're welcome to use that. It's not mine. It's free to use. And I just Googled how you can reset the master branch. So I do the second one, which is the git reset hard right here. There we go. And then if you do a git status now, a git switch right now to season 1 part 7, you're back. Yeehaw. So I just wanted to give you guys this very brief introduction to Git, and now you guys can start jumping between versions inside my code, and that's all I wanted. So see you next time. We'll start doing some more code. Have fun.